Welcome back, little ocean explorers, to our underwater adventure. Today, we're going to dive deep and test your knowledge with a super fun and colorful fish quiz. Are you ready to make a splash? Let's get started and see how many you can get right. Our first question is swimming your way right now. Which fish is famous for its amazing ability to inflate just like a balloon when it feels scared or threatened? Is it A, the bright and friendly clownfish, B, the spiky pufferfish, or C, the speedy tuna? Take a moment to think about it. If you guess B, the pufferfish, you are absolutely correct. They puff up to look bigger and scarier to other fish. What a clever trick. Let's move on to our next question. We all love animated movies, right? In the famous film Finding Nemo and its sequel, we meet a very forgetful but lovable blue fish. What kind of fish is Dory? Is she a beautiful blue tang, B, a common goldfish, or C, a graceful angelfish? Think back to the movie. Got your answer? The correct answer is A. Dory is a royal blue tang. Great job if you remembered that. Okay. Question number 3. Speaking of our friend Nemo, where do clownfish, like Nemo and his dad Marlin, make their cozy and safe homes? Do they live in A, dark underwater caves, B, the stinging tentacles of sea anemones, or C, buried under the soft sand? This one might be a little tricky. The answer is B. Clownfish have a special partnership with sea anemones. The anemone protects the clownfish, and the clownfish helps keep the anemone clean. It's like having a living house. Now for a question that might make you wonder. We know people sleep, and our pets like cats and dogs sleep, but what about fish? Do fish sleep? Time for our final question of the day. We talk about animals being warm-blooded, like us, or cold-blooded. What about fish? Are most fish cold-blooded animals? Is the answer A, yes, they are, or B, no, they are not? Think about where they live, in the cool water of oceans and rivers. The correct answer is a yes. Most fish are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature changes with the temperature of the water around them. That's why you find different fish in warm tropical waters versus cold Arctic waters. Wow, you did a fantastic job with our colorful fish quiz. You're becoming a true ocean expert. Whether you got them all right or learned something new, you're a winner in our book. The ocean is full of amazing creatures and incredible secrets, and we've only just skimmed the surface. Keep being curious and keep exploring the wonderful world around you. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep sea discovery. We had a blast learning with you. If you had fun and want to go on more learning adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. We can't wait to see you again for our next video. Until then, keep swimming and keep smiling. Bye for now.